Yeah, what's up, guys? This is Mr. BNB. Shout out to all traders out there who are trying so much to believe in themselves. So, guys, today I would like to show you some things about how the synthetic market move. Like I said in my previous video, I said synthetic movement is quite different from currency movement. A lot of people have chatted me asking me how I trade synthetic, right? So I said I trade synthetic with SMC and FALCON strategy, right? So, and I will keep on telling you this synthetic is very good and it is very easy to trade, very simple. But the point there is that don't just complicate it, just make it very simple. Make your chart very simple. So I'm going to show you the trade we took on Boom and then some other pairs. I'm going to show you before and then after. And then before we start, I would like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel because this is going to help us to do and release more videos, right? For you to be able to learn. And also like and drop your comments. And then if you want one-on-one mentorship with Mr. BNB, send a message to me. This is how I teach people. I teach people privately, individually, one-on-one, right? Via Zoom. Understand? So if you want that, just send a message to me. And then if you want to if you want to join our community, our VIP community channel, just send a message to me. I'm going to reply. Trust me. So guys, I'll make it very simple and easy. So now let's go straight to the chat and let's see what we have. Please hold on. Let me just take this away. All right, so okay, good. Now let me just hold on, please. Now, okay. Okay, now this is Boom. What you are seeing on your screen is Boom 300, right? So let's go straight to the something. Now this is it. Look at it here. Check it here. Now you see this was before, right? This was before. The market was here. The market was here, right? So this was not our initial setup. Our initial setup was buy, right? But I'm going to show you everything. Our initial setup was buy. Now you don't need to chase the market. You have to let the market build up itself and give you the structure. Then after that, you can be able to approach the market based on what the market is saying, right? So the market was here. I dropped the signal in the VIP channel and also, please hold on. So, and also, I sent the signal in the general group. So guys, this was before. Now, if you look at the markets, this is the proof we took the trade. Okay, this is it. You can see Boom 300. You can see it right here. I opened two positions on this account, and the other account I've closed it. Right. So now look at it here. This is a proof I took the market. Now you can see right here. This is the current market structure. This is the current market movement, right? Now let's go straight to the chart and let's see. Let's go straight to the chart. Hold on. So this is the chart right here. Let's go to 4 hours for us to be able to see the clear view of the market. Now, this is 4 hours. See, this is 4 hours time frame. I want you to listen. This is 4 hours time frame. Now let me start from this particular point. Now look at the market. The market was in a downtrend. We have the market was creating series of lower low and lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, right? Lower low, lower high. You stand. And then the market got here, created lower low, lower high, and finally the market got to this particular point here, and then the market changed from bearish market to bullish market. Are you following me now? So, and after that, the market pushed up, make an impulsive move to the upside, right? And after that, the market give us what? Change of character here. Are you following me? What I'm currently doing now, I want to use SMC strategy now. So this is change of character. What is change of character? Change of character means when the markets change from downtrend to uptrend or from uptrend to downtrend, right? So now here the markets start pushing up and it took this last lower high. You know, we have lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Before we have the last lower low. Whenever market wants to change from bearish to bullish, the market will change structure, right? Which means that the market will take out the last lower high, right? The uptrend move will take out the last lower high. This is what I'm trying to say. Understand? We have lower low here, then we have lower high, right? Lower low, last lower high. This is the last lower high here. Understand? This is the last lower high here. So the market pushed to the downside and created last lower low. So the market rallies up and took out the last lower high. Understand? Which means that the market has changed structure from bearish to bullish. Why some people can use this as their change of character, this high as their change of character, that's not really bad. Understand? So now that's our change of character. Now we now have an order block here. Right at this point, we have an order block there. Can you see? We have an order block there. Let me scale down. Okay, you can see it. This is an order block. Can you see the order block here? Right. So now, after the market pushed up, you can see that the markets start going up like this. After the change of character, the market is supposed to come and mitigate this order block and sweep this inducement away and start going up. But synthetic doesn't move like that at times, right? So the market start pushing up, start creating series of higher highs and higher lows. The market dropped to the downside, pushed up, understand, then pushed to the downside and got here. After the market got here, understand, the market was consolidating. Now, let me go back to this place. Now, you can see that this market, we have an extreme order block here. This one, we have an extreme order block here. This is the extreme order block right here. Understand? This is our extreme order block, and then this is our inducement here. So I was expecting the market to do what? Push to this place. We have first touch. This is Falcon. The Falcon, this is the Falcon strategy. Understand? I use that channel, that trend line to catch the market, to see where the market is going, right? So now the market, we have first touch. At the support level, we have first touch, second touch. Then the third touch, I was expecting the market to push up. Resistance level, we have first touch, second touch. The market dropped to the downside to create the third touch on support level. And after the third touch, I was expecting the market to do what? To go bullish, then come to this zone here. This our supply zone, right? Then start dropping. So from here we can sell. Understand? This was our initial setup, right? So now, when the market approach this zone, this particular zone here, the market start ranging at this zone. So I was just looking at the market without doing anything. So that's the reason why you have to be calm. You have to chill and let the market do whatever it wants to do. Then you can approach the market in the right way. Understand? So the market was ranging here, right? Let's go to 1 hour to see this price action. Okay, good. So this is our 1 hour time frame. Understand? So when the market gives us the third touch here, you can see that we have another order block right at this point. There is another, let me change the color of this. Okay, let me use this. There is another order block. This is the order block. Check it very well. This is it here. This is the order block. So when the markets go up to sweep all this liquidity here, okay, to sweep all this liquidity here, understand? So as the market was selling, I thought that the market would go here and start spiking up, right? Instead, the market breaks the trend line. You get me now? The market breaks. We have first touch, second touch, then we have third touch here. So the market breaks the trend line to the downside. right? After the market breaks the trend line to the downside, I knew that the market has changed structure, which means that the market wants to go bearish to mitigate this 4 hours order block here. This 4 hours order block here before buying up, right? So now look at it yourself. Look at it yourself, guys. Now, the market, after the market breaks this trend line, this one, this trend line, after the market breaks it, right? The market spiked up to retest the trend line. That was not enough for me. That was not enough. What I did was that I had to, okay, let's get down to 30 minutes and see more. Okay, good. Now, after the market spiked up, right? Spiked up here. This is it. The market spiked up, right? So I said, okay, if that should be the case, then we have first touch, second touch, right? So I enter the market right at this area, here. You understand? So I said, guys, sell boom 300 now. So I put take profit. Our take profit was above. Understand? Was above here. Our take profit was here. Understand? So now look at it. The market keeps selling. Okay, the market keeps selling. You understand? The market keep dropping to the downside. So this is what we have on boom 300. Now, what we are anticipating is that we are expecting the market to still sell to the downside to come and mitigate the 4 hours order block, right? After mitigating the 4 hours order block, instant here. After mitigating the 4 hours order block, then the market can start buying. So we will start looking to buy the market, right? At this point, this is what we have on boom 300. So now let's check the next pair. Let's share the screen once again. So now, and also let's check. Hold on, guys. Hold on, please. And also we took step index. This was before. Yesterday, this was before, right? And then this was after. Understand? Okay, now look at crash 300. Can you see crash 300? This is crash 300. You can see the setup. Can you see this setup right here? Understand? This was when I dropped the signal in the group. I said, guys, we'll be buying this market right at this point here. So you can see this is the video. This is the video. You can see. Understand? So now let's go straight to the chart and let's see what we have. You can see that is crash 300. We took it. And then this is the current market. This is, okay, this was the current market. No, this is the current market, but let's check the chart. Let's check the chart. Share screen. Let me share screen back. Okay. All right. Let's go to crash 300. Please hold on, guys. Okay, this is it, guys. Now, we have closed this market anyway, but let's still check. Now, this is crash 300. Okay, good. This is crash 300. Now, let me show you. Let me go back. Let me clear everything here. Now, let me show you how to analyze the market. You can scale down to daily or 4 hours. But this is my 4 hours time frame. Let's wait for the market to load. So guys, this is 4 hours now. You can see this market. The market was selling before. We have the market makes series of lower lows and lower highs. This is our last low here before the market change structure as bullish. Understand? As bullish, right? Now, what we're going to do right now is that let's now analyze the market together. So here we have our break of structure to the downside as bearish. Here is our break of structure, right? Then here is our stomp point. I won't call this one break of structure, SH. Understand? So now, where is our last low? This is our last low here. Understand? This is our last low here. This one. This is our last low, right? Where is the lower high that caused the last lower low? This is the lower high that caused the last lower low. So for me, this is my change of character. This one here, understand? So the market start pushing up. So we have break of structure to the upside, another break of structure to the upside, right? So now the market mitigates this other block here. You can see the market mitigates this other block and start buying. So where is the next other block that I choose? This is the next other block that I choose. Understand? This is 4 hours. Understand? So this is the next other block that I choose. Right? So now look at the market itself. So the market was somewhere around here. When I dropped the signal, the market was somewhere, okay, I think somewhere around here. I said, guys, we'll be buying this market right at this point. So the market got to this other block and start buying, right? And start buying. Please hold on. So the market got there and start buying. So now let me show you something. This is SMC strategy that I use now. So now let me show you using the Falcon to enter the market. Let's go to 2 hours and let's see. So these are 2 hours time frame, right? Now, guys, we have, based on our Falcon, let's check from this place. Good. We have first touch here. We have second touch here, then we have third touch here. You can see the massive bar, right? This is the support area. Now let's check the resistance area. This is the resistance area. You can see first touch, second touch, then the market breaks the third touch. You can see after the market breaking, the market comes down to retest the line again. You can see this is what I'm saying. The market retest it and start buying up, right? So as the market buy up, I think we closed somewhere around here. We stand somewhere around here, right? You can see how the market is selling massively to the downside. Here, this is the reason why the market is selling. The market has gotten to this other block here. I didn't see this on time. I was very busy with ministry work, understand? So I couldn't be able to sell this. So here is it sweep this liquidity here. This candle sweep this liquidity, right? Now, after it sweep it, the market starts selling. Now, this is SMC, this is order block, right? This is order block. The market mitigates the order block and starts selling to the downside. Now, let's use Falcon. Let's check if we can use Falcon to enter the market. Okay. You can see we have first touch. Okay, we have first touch, second touch. You can see the third touch. It mitigates it and starts selling. Right. So this thing is not hard. Understand? Just make sure you have the right mentor. Not necessarily Mr. B and me, understand. But if you want me to mentor you, I'm going to teach you. Right. So I based on currency and synthetic. Right. So now this market, now we can sell this market, but we cannot sell this market for now because there is no good entry. Understand? The market is just spiking to the downside. Right. So right at this point, we'll be waiting to buy the market here. Let me check. Let me use this trend line if it will correspond, right? So here this is it. We have first touch here, then we have second touch here. We should be expecting to buy the market here. If we see something like this, right? If we see something like this, okay. So if we see something like this, then we'll buy the market to the upside. Understand? To the upside. To the upside, because the overall structure of this market is still what? Is still bullish. So guys, this is crash 300. So now let's check. I think we still trade some markets. I don't know. Let me check. Okay. I think which market else do we trade? Okay, we trade Yes, okay. This one as well. Volatility 75. You can see first touch, second touch, the market starts selling. Let me check. Please hold on. Hold on, guys. Hold on, hold on. Let me check. Yeah. Okay. So guys, now let me screenshot something now. I'll screenshot something and send it to you guys now. Please hold on. Okay, I'm trying to check something here. Trying to check something here. So, okay, okay, this is it. I'm going to send it in the group now. I'm going to send it for you guys to be able to see it. So now look at it. Where is it? You can see it. This is after. This is after. This is after. Volatility 75 first. This is after. You can see this was before. This was before. This all these signals, I send them in the group, right? Now let's check. Let me share the screen. Let me share the screen, guys. So first hold on. Okay. 75 first. Let me check here. So this is it. You can see, you can see, you can see. So this is it. We have first touch, second touch. See how the market sold to the downside. Some of my students took this. It was late yesterday. Understand? Was it yesterday? Okay, in the evening. Understand? Some of them took it. Why some of them did not take it? Understand? This is it. But I personally, I took it. You can see it, guys. So now trust me. I'm going to, this is how I mentor. I mentor people and show people the real details about the market. No fake, no fake, right? No fake. I'm going to show you everything one after the other. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching. God bless you guys.